All right, so we're going to review circles. Now, you notice that I have a circle here, and I am going to put a point right here in the as close as I can get to the middle, okay?
Can we turn the lights off?
Yes, you may turn the lights off. Now, if you remember, we talked about the line that goes from one end of the circle to the other end. And that is not the neatest line there is, but with that said, it goes from here to here, goes to the center point. So this is referred to as the what? The diameter. That's right. This is from here all the way to here is your diameter. Okay? Girls, half of the diameter from here to here, which is half of your diameter, and that's referred to as what?
Radius.
The radius. That's right, the radius. All right, so with that said, let's talk about the formulas for finding circumference. So what is circumference? It is the distance around the circle. Okay, so the formulas for finding radius are as follows. So, A, when using the diameter, you use this formula. C for circumference equals pi times the diameter. Okay, what does pi stand for? Very good, 3.14. B, when you're using the radius, what is your formula? Pi times, back up here. It's 2 times pi times radius. 2 times pi times radius, okay? So the radius would be whatever the measurement is of that circle, and a pi is 3.14, okay? Everybody got that? Good review on that, okay? So when you are given the diameter, your formula is C equals pi times the diameter, right? You want to write your steps like this. C equals pi is 3.14 times our diameter is 15. So you're simply going to come over here, set up your multiplication, and you're going to multiply. 27 and 3 times 5 is 15, not 8. Okay? 0, 4, 1, and 3. And then you're going to complete. And so your circumference is going to equal what? You can either put 1 or 10 feet, and that would be the exact same. So that is your circumference of that circle. Okay, so if you have a radius of A and you're going to find the circumference of that circle, you're going to use C equals 2 times pi times radius, right? Yes, when you multiply 3.14 times 2, you're going to get 6.28, okay? So you already know that when you multiply these two together, you're going to get 6.28, and your radius is 8. So now you're going to go over and multiply 6.28 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 2 more is
18.
16 plus 6 more. No, 2 times 8 is 16 plus 6 more is what? 22, that's right. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 more is 50. There you go. You move your decimal over 2 places, so your circumference is 50.24 inches. Okay, any questions on that? Boys, you're going to solve the circumference by using the radius. Okay, this is going to be the boys' side. Remember, you're using the radius, so it's going to be 2 times pi times radius. Girls, you're going to be finding
Wait, is that 7.5 or 7?
that's 7.5. You're going to be finding the circumference using 22, which is pi times the diameter. Okay? Everybody do that in their little notes or on a piece of paper, okay? All right, boys, what did you get for circumference?
47.1.
Okay, circumference equals 47.1 feet. And that is correct. What did you all get? Well, we haven't got to yours yet, girls. Boys, the rest of you boys, what did you get? 47.1, I hope. Okay, girls. Now, girls, what did you all get for finding circumference? You got what?
69.08.
You got it. That's right. Circumference equals 69.08 inches. Good job. Good job. So just on page 172, just practice, and I want you to do 26, 27, and 28. And if we get finished with those today before it's time to leave, we'll go over the answers. But I'll be right here to answer questions, okay?